It's a beautiful December 2nd, Saturday, and it's nice and cool. But you know what it really means? It's time to start my winter indoor garden 2023 2024. Good morning and welcome back to my channel, Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I'm Moses. I am going to start my winter indoor garden seeds today, and I thought I would bring you along. We're going to grow these varieties. This is Filderkraut cabbage. This is red Merlot lettuce. This is Carthenton leeks. Daikon radishes. I need these for my kimchi. And tatsoi, kind of like a oriental spinach. So let's start with these. I think I'm only going to do 2 of these. The seeds are real small, and from what I've been reading up, the plants get kind of big, and I only want to really grow 1. So I'm going to try to put 2 to 3 seeds in each hole that I just made, and then thin them out when they grow. Okay, let's put the label in. Put that one over there. Next, we're going to do the Daikon radish. And we're going to do a row of 5. And drop 2 seeds in each. And put the label in. Okay, my soil has already been pre-moistened. Next, we're going to do the leeks. I think I'm going to do a couple rows of these. seeds are similar to that of an onion. So I'm going to drop 2 to 3 in each hole. Okay, finally. And let's go back and cover them up. And put the label in. Next, we're going to do the cabbage. Okay, they're all in. And last but not least, the Merlot lettuce. And put the label in. Okay, we go get a cup of perlite and I'm going to sprinkle it on top, and then get my sprayer, hand pump sprayer. Okay, we have our container of perlite, so I'm going to gently cover each opening with the perlite. I use the perlite every time I start, most of the times when I start seeds. It helps with the moisture and to keep everything from drying out. Next, I'm going to sprinkle some ground cinnamon on top. That will help with any fungus and gnats, and also help to prevent root rot. Last but not least, the pump sprayer. And we're going to spray my seeds. I think I need to get up so I'm farther away. There we go. And just like that, we have our seed challenge seeds. We have our challenge seeds planted, and as soon as they come up, or this dries out rather, I'm going to put this inside my grow bag, and we'll be off and running inside. All of the seeds, with the exception of one, came from Baker Creek, and this one, the radishes, they came from Johnny's. So if you're interested in any of the items that I use, head over to my website. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new contents. You can share my content, leave me a comment, and I definitely will reply. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong and stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, never forget to give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing.